Today, we'll solve a problem involving arithmetic progressions, often abbreviated as AP. Here's the question. If the first term of an AP is 3, and the sum of its first 4 terms is equal to 1/5 of the sum of the next 4 terms, then the sum of the first 20 terms is equal to, and here are the options: 1 minus 1080, 2 minus 1020, 3 minus 1200, 4 minus 120. Take a moment to think about how you would approach this. Okay, let's solve this step by step. First, let the arithmetic progression have the first term denoted by a sub 1 and a common difference denoted by d. The problem states that the first term, a sub 1, is equal to 3. Recall the formula for the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. S sub n equals n divided by 2 times the quantity 2 times a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Using this formula, let's find the sum of the first 4 terms, S sub 4. We substitute n equals 4, and a sub 1 equals 3. Next, let's find the sum of the first 8 terms, S sub 8. Again, substituting n equals 8, and a sub 1 equals 3. The problem mentions the sum of the next 4 terms. These are terms 5, 6, 7, and 8. We can find this sum by subtracting the sum of the first 4 terms from the sum of the first 8 terms, S sub 8 minus S sub 4. Now, we use the condition given in the problem. The sum of the first 4 terms is equal to 1/5 of the sum of the next 4 terms. Let's substitute the expressions we found for S sub 4 and S sub 8 minus S sub 4 into this equation. Now, we solve this equation for the common difference, d. First, multiply both sides by 5. We found the common difference, d equals minus 6. The problem asks for the sum of the first 20 terms, S sub 20. We use the sum formula again with n equals 20, a sub 1 equals 3, and d equals minus 6. So, the sum of the first 20 terms is minus 1080. Looking back at our options, this corresponds to option 1.